In this video, I will be showing you how you can turn $300 gradually to $1,300 in less than 30 days, trading cryptocurrency with UTRADING AI bot. So many people complain that trading cryptocurrency is very risky and very difficult. Not with this AI bot. This AI bot has been proven to be very effective, and it has been working for me, and it has been working for so many other people. You can learn how you can convert your $300 to $1,300. All you need to do is to follow the settings, follow the right settings, which I'll be dropping in my WhatsApp groups, I'll be dropping in my Telegram groups. All you have to do is to check the description part of this video, see my links, contact me, and I will add you to my free class. The class is entirely for free. Remember, you are not giving anybody your money. Your money, your capital, your $300 capital will be in your exchange. Whether you are using Binance, or you are using BitGet, or you are using Bybit, whichever exchange you are using, your money, your capital will be there. Whereas you will now use about $100 to buy yogas for the robot to be trading for you. The most important thing is to learn how to set this robot so that this robot will be giving you the exact amount of money it is expected to give you on a daily basis. It is very simple. So join my Telegram group right away. Join my WhatsApp group right away. Contact me on my number at the description section of this video so that I can add you to my group where I share all the settings that you need. Now, these settings, I call them the no liquidation settings, so that your money will not be liquidated. Because if you're trading crypto on your own without knowing some things as fundamental analysis, without knowing what we call technical analysis, you are going to be incurring so much losses. At a point you will give up. But with this AI bot, you are not going to encounter any loss as long as you follow my settings in the group. Remember to subscribe to my channel so that every day I drop updates, you'll be the first person to be notified. And make sure that you turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified as quick as possible anytime I drop an update. Check the description part of this video right now to contact me so that you can actually be added to my class where I give you all the settings for free. I will see you inside. Thank you. So guys, you are welcome. Today is the first day of the month of November 2024, and I want to open one of my accounts right now. This is a live class, so I want to open one of my accounts now. So I'll be clicking on this particular app here. That is the UTRADING app, this particular one here. I'm going to be clicking on it now. So I click on it, and then it opens here. This is the UTRADING app. It opens here. Now, as it opens here, I'm going to go straight to the profit section. I'm going to go to two places to show you. Now, if you look at this particular place, you will see that there are people who are trading. If you look up here, you're going to see this place called profits. You understand? So if I click on that particular profit right now, you're going to see how much I've been able to make so far. You're going to see how much I've made for some days and some weeks altogether. My network is a bit fluctuating tonight, but I believe it's going to load up right now. So, and I am on manual trading. Manual trading means that I will be the one that will use my hand to set the robot the way I want it to trade for me. And there are so many things that you need to know. Okay, you can see. Now, today is the first day of the month of November 2024. So if you look down here, if you just look here, just this place, you're going to see how much I have made this for today. You're going to see how much I have made for today. Look at this place. Look at the first, that is 11th. You're going to see there how much I have made for today here. So you can see here, you can see this place now. I've made $4 today. Yesterday being 31st, I made $5, as you can see there. This is today, then this was yesterday, this was the day before yesterday, this was the first day. Now this one you see red here is a loss. The reason is because it's under my spot trade, and the reason because I stopped the trade myself. Normally I'm not supposed to stop it, but I was doing a particular class, so I was doing a live class for somebody to show the person that you're not supposed to stop the robot, because if the robot is running at a loss and you stop it, the loss is going to count in your account. So that was why I had to do that. Now if you scroll up again, you're going to see the other days. You're going to see some days are higher while some days are lower. You can see as it's going, you can see some days here. You can see here was $9. You can see here $18. You can see here $35. You can see here another $35 per day. You can see now this is account I'm trading with just $200. You understand? So if you're doing a business and you're making $35 in a day, or you're making $8 in a day, and you started that business with just $200, so in a month you should be able to be getting at least $200 extra. You understand? So when you add it, you have $400. If you trade the same with $400, you can bet another $400. That is how I was able to get over $800 on this account. So for last month alone, being October, I was able to make 290 something dollars. If you look up here, you're going to see it here. $298 like that. So because I did a withdrawal and then this one also came up there. So this is basically my account on this particular boat now. And so if I go back now, and okay, sorry, I need to open that again. So now you're going to see some people here who are trading with more capital than I do. You can see this one is making let's go to a day. You can see a day here. This is for within 24 hours. So if I come to 24 hours trade, you will see that if I change this place to 24 hours, just a day, you can see my network is bad tonight, but it's going to open. So if I choose for a day, you're going to see that some people who are trading with higher capital. Now look at it here. You can see this one today, as of today, has made $581. You can imagine that this one here have made the same thing. This person here $570 something. This one here 500. You can see how much people are making per day under automated trading, not even manual trading, the one I'm doing, not even signal trading, because we have here manual trading here and we have here signal trading. So this is how good this robot is. If you're trading with this robot, you are sure of making money every day on daily basis. If you follow the right settings, you are sure of making cool money on daily basis.